What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I have a sick amount of footage for you guys. I'm super pumped to announce that our supporter from Suncent Auto sent us some LED bulbs for the Z. And basically all I'm gonna do is show you guys a quick install, show you the difference between what an LED bulb looks like and a halogen bulb looks like in our car. And I'll put all of the links in the description for you guys. Again, Suncent Auto, thank you so much for the products, and let's get into it. Okay, so in our goodie box here, what I see is we have some taillights there. We have some reverse lights and some turn signals. And then also we have some dome lights here. This is what Suncent Auto sent me, okay? So we're gonna be testing out all these bulbs here. The bulbs per year can kind of vary. Again, the daily's a 92. So basically what I did for the tail lights, I basically went with a red tint and the bulb is an 1157. For the reverse lights, I went with a white and 1156. And then for the turn signals, I went with amber and an 1156. With these guys here, I really didn't know about these. I had to do a little bit of research on there, but they actually have them right on the site. Great description, very easy site to navigate and whatnot. So I was able to find these because I kind of wanted to see what it would look like with LEDs actually in the dome inside the car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take all these out. We're gonna go to the daily, put them on in. I'm gonna take a shot of daylight with halogen bulbs, and then we're gonna do a shot with the LEDs in the daylight, and then we'll do a night shot too to see the total difference for you guys. All right, so let's open this turd, turn on these headlights. So as you can see, they are on. Again, it's super sunny out, so that's what they look like in the daytime. Those are the tail lights, as you can see. Now let's turn blinker on. So that's what it looks like with the blinker on in the daytime. Running light, blinker. So these are just the halogen stock OEM bulbs, okay? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this little guy right here. Pull that right on off. So the bulbs are extremely easy to get to, okay? So there's gonna be a bulb here, a bulb here, a bulb here. And then there's gonna be a couple more in here. The reverse lights are actually behind this panel here. And then on the passenger side, again, you're just gonna pull this cover off, and same exact thing, easy access for all the bulbs. So let's go ahead and start replacing these. So basically how you replace the bulbs, pretty simple. All you're gonna do is push down and rotate, and it comes right out. And this, I believe, is our turn signal. So what we're gonna do is grab our amber LED here. Pull this on out. Okay. Pretty simple. All we're gonna do, push down, in, and twist. And that's how simple it is. And then we're just gonna put this right back in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Now with the stop lights, we're gonna go with the red 1157s here. Okay, same concept. All we're gonna do, push on down, turn around, and put that puppy in there. I'm actually really excited about this. Thank you, Suncent Auto, again. I'm gonna do the same thing for this bulb here. Just like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a complete how it looks like during the day with LEDs and during the day with halogens on each side right now. Okay, first impression is insane with the blinker. This is way brighter. So this is with the LED, and then let's check this side with the halogen. So this is the halogen in the daytime. And now for the brake lights, This is the LED side. This is the halogen side. I see a difference. To me, there is a slight difference. I can tell a difference. You might not be able to tell from each because the daylight and how the camera's reading it. But again, we're gonna give it a few hours, get into this, and actually see the difference between what they're gonna look like at night. So for the reverse lights, all it is, you take out these little screws here. This pulls out, and I already took the bulbs out. There's one here, there's one there. And all you're gonna do is just replace the bulbs with these. Now, as for our little dome light here, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is just pull this piece of plastic off. Just like that, okay? Pretty simple. The bulb's right there. The bulb just sits between these two metal brackets here. So what you're gonna wanna do, turn the light off. It may be hot just because I've had my doors open and whatnot, but all it is you pull this little tab, the bulb's gonna fall out, and then you're gonna replace it with one of these puppies. So once you get it in there, there are two little holes on each little piece here. So as you can see, there's like little nipples that fit in those holes there. And yeah, you should be good. And again, this is extremely hot, so just be careful. Don't wanna burn yourself. But yeah, there's that. And there you go. LED dome light. Very cool. All right, guys, so it's a little bit darker out right now. As you can see, these are the LEDs, and those are the halogens. You can see the difference if you look at this light here and you look at this one, you can tell that this one's brighter than this one. So overall let's check the blinkers real quick. So as you can see, this is the LED that we're working with, and this is the halogen. So the LEDs blink faster, and the halogen is definitely much more dimmer too. So if you do, I did not get this with the kit from Suncent Auto, but if you do want to do the third brake light here, there's 4 912, so 912 bulbs here, and then there's 2 more on your side markers also. So the LED running lights are extremely bright compared to the normal OEM halogen bulbs. So these are sick. They look great. As you guys can see, this is with the brake lights on. And even with the brake lights on, it's extremely bright. Like, you can just see the distortion from the actual camera itself. But yeah, they look good. Super impressed. Even the dome lights too. Like, look how clear that looks inside there. Super bright. I also want to say we hit 8,000 subscribers. I am so thankful for you guys. And again, and from anybody that's ever helped out with the channel, any of the guys, any of the friends, any of the supporters like you guys, any of the sponsors, everybody that's been involved with this channel, I am extremely grateful for you guys. And it truly is a blessing to be able to see the growth of the channel and just me as an individual, as a driver, as a, DIY kind of mechanic for you guys and whatnot, and the community. Also the community. I see you guys in the comments all the time, asking questions, reaching out to each other, liking each other's comments and stuff. And that's all I really wanted, honestly. I do this for fun. I don't do this for the fame. I don't do this for anything else. And again, it's extremely humbling to see that I'm able to touch lives outside of wherever I'm at, you know what I mean? Across the world, across the country. It's absolutely insane. I'm extremely thankful for it. And with that being said, we are doing an AK giveaway. Our supporter, Suncent Auto, is actually going to be hooking one of you lucky members up for a total LED package for your car. So again, if you haven't followed us on Instagram, there's 2 posts on Instagram. All you have to do is follow those rules to get into it and get enrolled, and it's totally free. And I mean, who doesn't want to win some free LEDs? You know what I mean? If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here. And if you're looking for any additional content, all you have to do is click one of the links here. In the meantime, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.